Dog, it's to the point where if me here say yo, a piece of price up on the front meaning say yo, I sell she a sell it. Me a walk and sell some cane for making money. I swear. Yo, me YouTube people, how it go? Today we there back with the next smasher pass video, you see it? Cause me see it say yo, on a like one time we do the video, you see it? Me tell you no, me no like waste people time, you know. So just drop a like before we start. So the first celebrity we got today, a TC. Well, according to TC, you know, she call herself Dolly. That even lie, dog. We all know said TC look good, dog. You see, me as a youth, she a call for herself Dolly, you know. Me, I go fling with under her till Dolly come to life. If TC link me right now and say, yo, Tolo come for your front right now, man. Me I make sure I drink some rum, bun some enough weed and well fresh out. Few man them out there know say, yo, when time I smoke and dating and drink rum, any girl a hole in a man, especially when time I drink Campari, you know, man. As some blood clot wood them a go get. So you know that, go. Give him one time, she can't have link me back. For TC dog, he have to be a smash. If you would even can't turn up, me know say you would have fuck the same way. Next on the list, we got Stark Ashley. Well, yo, me don't know about you in the dog. Ashley say, yo, she a Taliban. So she better can't turn pan the wood for long. Dog, if me get the chance to chop Stark Ashley, she would have done the best singer Jamaica ever see. Me I tell you that. You wanna know how? When time I chop it, me I make sure say, yo, I still there with it. We alone, me advise around everything. When time she a record, me a fling with under that. Be a high note. Like how Stark Ashley a bad girl, me have to go look like a general. If me evil, I go get the front door. Yo, Ashley, you go. Nah, man, I lie. Or if that no work, me just I go to her and say, yo, my parents king them, you know. So with that being said, please give me some front. If I'm a big man thing, dog, that have to be a smash. Alright, the third smarty on the list is Candy Wow. Away the bumbo clot. Dog, why the Ross no always put them people up on the list? I'm a talk for how the bumbo clot make the list here? Dog, not even one time me dey pan Mali, me not take out mood and push in a Candy Wow. Dog, if a mad girl give her front and I go blood clot mad too, so well fuck could I not look this over. Me know say some man go ask me say, yo, suppose somebody offer you $1 million for chop it. Well, me nah go take no time to take off my clothes and fling some blood clot would and die. I swear. Would I'll chop it once a week. You know how much money that? $4 million a month. Me no care when nobody wants to judge me for no one. But that I own if me I get the money still. Flingy money come, me fuck it till thy kingdom come. Overall though, dog, is a pass. Don't get me wrong. The fourth smarty panelist, we got Kayla Klein. For all who don't know, she is a YouTuber, you see. Dog, you know long me I watch Kayla Klein channel, dog. She maga nice, your friend. Me maga too, you know, so anyhow we chop fire go gash. Dog, me say anyhow me and Kayla chop, anytime we done, the bed I go blazing hot. The bed I go blazing hot. Watch out, no man. If she them, I go catch a fire too. Call me a girl 31. Wait. 31 stab per second. But for real, dog, she deserve it. Not your one, you know, killer. My one she deserve. Next on the list, we have Tavi Zoe. Nah, go lie. Zoe look like she can drop on the cutting board, man. Yo, little youth, back away from my girl. Yo, me G, I just want video me a do and see it. Yo, me no care if a video you do. Don't put my girl in your video before me shoot up your bumbo clot. RJ, if you ask the video, a little joke me and make me killer. You know content creating go, you see it. For real now, dog, me I go smash. A girl look nice, me no care when nobody at all what I say. If she asks you hood, me not itch. Alright, next on the list now we got Mackerel. Oh, sorry, wrong picture. We got Mackerel. Dog, me don't know about you, but me not push me hood in enough food, especially thin food. Would I cut up with some mackerel. Me no feel it a go work. Me know say Sabah no go say, yo, Tolo, you ugly as fuck. You know the perfect couple. Me tell you this. I want a sweet piece of boy. Me just ugly as fuck more while for true. Ah boy, God, we fuck with the doing tell me and make me. No looks, oh God, man. But still, me not push mood in a mackerel. You can go and go do it if you want. Me I pray for you. Cause you need prayers if you look this on me G. I swear. But anyhow, somebody offer me some money for chopping, me nah hitch. I swear. I mean was enough man I gotta do the same, brother. My day I broke hungry now, though. So if somebody say, yo, toloh, 500k, any chop that. Dog, me nah hitch, brother. Me a chop it till me rich. My mother go live lavish. Friend them a go live lavish, dog. One time we done, me a the richest man on the planet. God, dog. Me a go and make at least $1 million a day. Check his stats. You would take the half of it. But that only if me get the money still. Me can't chop them free. That a waste and chop. Next on the list we got Pretty. Dog, you can't expect Weefy in a same room. Me and Pretty in a same room and she was no. And she was Lagos out front and me no fi take it. Me no fi take it. Yeah, I hear that, man. Back shot, them when me give them no normal. No see how you see me look so maga. Me talented. You can ask the female them. And never lie. Dog, it's to the point where if me here say yo, a piece of price up on the front, meaning say yo, I sell she I sell it. Me personally, me a walk and sell some cane for making money. I swear. And if the cane business I move too slow, me I see if me can buy some bag juice, hustle it, walk through town them, every town I see me. Port Marathon, Highgate Town, Watchy Town, not Kingston. Man, then we fuck me up down this one. But yeah. Front of it get. You see me I say, how have it happy? For Pretty, it have to be a smash. I just loan hood. Next on the list, we got Bree Official. Now, the whole I want to see a Silk Boss girl, you see it. So here what me I go do for them. Me, I go chat Bree, and when time Silk Boss here, him I go up in her feelings. And you know so when time artists up in them feelings, I just some bad blood clots and them right. So if be a good youth, me I go fling with under Bree and make Silk Boss find a bad hit song. But yeah, for Bree is a smash dog. Next on the list, we got Andel. You supposed to know Andel. Me no care, no have to know her. This a girl that mother fool like man them on TikTok and on Instagram. Every time a girl I pick in the comment section, I be a heart and one bag of foolishness. Man them a pour out their heart. Me kill her. You look like a clown. Stop it. You're thirsty, me kill her. Go and get some front. But anyways, if Andel look at me and tell me say yo, come for some of front, me I say yo. Me just nah go take no time to reach which part you're dead. I swear me we kill it with it. Yo, don't get me wrong, you know. Me I know when I thirsty man them in our DM or in our comments card. Truth be told, me don't even follow her dog. But if she a sing little front, just right there some boy. Yeah. But Andel, if you see this, big up yourself, mama. You see it, me just want to make you know say yo, mood and smash. Me just want to make you know say to yo, you know I'm mad, me like you mad, you say man, but mood and smash, big up yourself. Alright, we down to the last one. And the last somebody on the list is Chenille. That's what she name. Haha. Whoa, they want a funny star. All who go on, me no think more that choppy in your dog because me scared. Some man now go say, yo, tell her what you afraid of. Boy, you chop the girl, and the girl ball out say, haha, boy, they want a funny star. Me no know about you, but mood are dead instant. Mood are left from so, and go so in a 1 second. Imagine a feel say you put in the work, you stab your fret. Me a talk like you go haul in and mama just ball out say, boy, they want a funny star. How you that feel? That a mash out mentally, dog. It'll be a pass. Yo, but I hit that for video, you no see it, so just drop a like if you no drop a like it. If you know a hot video, just subscribe to toloh. You see me I say, hot video alone. Big up on yourself. I say I can make a next video soon, man. Because I know say you love them. Yeah, big up on yourself. I hate that.